You arrive home, shocked to find out that the candy corn has finished. You rush online to buy the ingredients to make it at home. The ingredients arrive, and this is what you need to make candy corn at home. You will need 1 cup of powdered sugar, which is about 120 grams, 2 tablespoons of non-fat milk powder. No need for gram measurement here, just use a tablespoon. Half a cup of granulated sugar, which is about 100 grams. 2 tablespoons of butter, which is about 30 grams. Half a cup of corn syrup, 150 grams. And some vanilla extract, which you will need a dash of. Not shown here is the food coloring. You will need an orange color and a yellow color, and the salt, a dash of salt. For equipment, you will definitely need a thermometer that can handle a temperature up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 150 degrees Celsius. Start by sifting your ingredient. The powdered sugar, also known as confectionery sugar, and the powdered milk. Mix them together in one bowl. It's very important to do this step so you don't end up with any lumps in your mixture. Lumps like tiny sugar balls. Now it's time to add in your sprinkle, dash, half a teaspoon of salt. It's time now to get the saucepan out. Mix in your butter, granulated sugar, and your corn syrup. Heat those ingredients together. Continue mixing and stirring until all the ingredients are dissolved. Watch the temperature of the ingredient. Make sure that you cook them to between 245 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 118 degrees Celsius to about 121 degrees Celsius. Just make sure you don't exceed those temperatures. While the mixture is heating up to the right temperature, it's time to get your silicone mat out. This is an optional step, but if you have more than one mat, maybe you want to use 2 mats so you don't mix the colors together. 1 mat for the yellow color and 1 mat for the orange color. Once you reach your desired temperature, turn off the heat. Add in your dash of vanilla. Mix the vanilla in. Then add in your sifted powdered sugar and non-fat milk powder mixture. Fold that in until it forms something like a dough. Here is where I have to tell you to work quickly. Wear some gloves because the mixture is really hot and you have to be careful. You want it to be hot so it will be malleable and easily workable. The cooler it gets, the harder to work with. Divide the sugar mixture dough into 3 equal parts. One will be colored orange and one will be colored yellow, and the one will be left white. The 3 colors of candy corn. Add in your color mixture. Fold them in. Make them into a long strip. Do the same for the yellow color. Now we arrange the strips together. Making sure that we have the right color combination, starting with yellow, orange, white. This is a great example of why you need to work quickly. Due to filming, I did wait a long time and the candy became very hard. In this example, you can see that, how easily it breaks. Once the color combination is complete, it's time to flat them out using your hand. A useful tip: using a non-stick spray, grease your cutting knife or your scraper. That way it will avoid sticking to the sugar and will make your life much easier. Now we can get back to some maths. We need to shape them into a triangle. Cut them into a triangle, but don't worry if some of the colors don't match. You can give out the match color, and the ones that don't match you can leave at home and eat. As you can clearly see, for the amount of ingredients we used, we yielded a very small batch. So, for the amount of batch you require, make sure that you double or triple the ingredients for the amount you need. I would say for the amount of ingredients we have, that will yield roughly about 20 to 30 pieces of candy. Do your diligence and make sure that you have enough ingredients for the batch, and make sure that you can work quickly with a large batch. Very important. The final step here is to give them another coating of non-stick spray so that you avoid the candy corn sticking together. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving us a thumbs up and sharing the video with your friend who likes candy corn.